I want to take a look around so I remember the progress. But yeah, that was able to walk to the lumber store. There's an Ace is 7 blocks away. True Value is 5. So I was able to walk, get that drain pipe. I wasn't going to do it for a while because I'm 35 miles from a Home Depot. And I thought I had to get that pipe from driving to the store. I actually walked there, carried it home. But this week I've mostly been doing sheetrock, and it's like mostly done. So we'll start back here. This room I call bedroom number 3 is completely sheetrocked. That's the door trim. There's some mud taping needed, but it's all done. And I've just used only so far 20 sheets of sheetrock. I thought I was gonna need like 30. I have 2 or 3 left, so I'll probably go. I still have some sheetrock to do. I'll probably go through 23, 25 sheets, but it's good to overestimate so you don't have to run out. And then I have some to do upstairs too. And this one's all done. So I'm a little bit under what I thought on the sheetrock, and it's good, so I don't run out, but this room's all done. I got the wiring in there for the heaters. I did that the other day. I think it was just last night, maybe. So a little bit of mud and tape in those rooms. The hallway is mostly mudded and taped. And it's Friday. I still have a while to go tonight, but there's a little patch over there in that corner. But just kind of taking weekly progress. This closet is done, it's button taped. This wall, there's a little piece there. I was waiting to get butts off of the ceiling. When I do the ceiling out in the entryway, I'll get some pieces to put there. That's the only one in this room, but it's just a smaller piece, so I wasn't gonna cut into a big piece yet. These are just the scraps for when I need a small piece. Man, the kitchen is rocked. It had that ugly ceiling torn out and everything. It's all patched up. There's still more to do in the bathroom, but it's so much more farther along. It's just like start looking at everything and it starts to add up. But it's not that hard. It's really, but it's just time consuming. So this is really all the sheetrocking that there is to do in this entryway. But I wasn't able to do it because of that drain pipe and the water line. So now I can do it after I test it. And so you gotta do things. You can't just do everything all at once. You gotta wait and do things in steps. So that's it. There'll actually be some more progress tonight, but I guess that'll be in the next week video. All right, I'm down below the kitchen sink, and that's the drain to the kitchen sink right there. And it was down below the door. It was in the doorway, like right here. It was like 10 inches lower than it is now. You walk in, you could hit your head. And the water line was right beside it. That blue water line right there that I put through the rafter, so now it's higher. That was just hanging down, so you couldn't sheetrock the ceiling. So now you can sheetrock in here. But I'm letting that drain cure, and I've got to test the water line. It's a cold line, but all I have is the red line, so I attached the red line to the blue line, cold line. I'm gonna give it a while to, I have to test it before I sheetrock it. Test the water line. But it's done. That part anyways. we just put in a new kitchen sink, new to me, off of Facebook. And then put in a PEX drains, or yeah, well the drain's new down below that connects to this. And then new PEX connections. The red one, just back there, was it was a corroded pipe, and then a new valve there. Little valve strapped to the wall. Really easy sink to hook up. Somebody already did this other side here, but I just took the sink up to it. I'm letting the drain downstairs cure. I just glued it in, and I'll show you that in a minute.